Alright, nagbabalik po tayo dito po sa SMX para po sa ating IIEE. At dito po tayo sa SMX para po makasama po natin ng isa po sa exhibitors po. Walang iba kundi ang System Control Instrumentation Incorporation. At kasama po natin ngayon, siyempre po ang kanilang General Manager President, Mr. Rowen Tagle. Magandang araw, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, magandang araw din.
At sir, gaano ba katagal na po ang system control sa Pilipinas?
We have been in operation since 1990. So basically, mga 33 years na kami.
O 3 dekada na, no?
Yes,
na nagsiservisyo. Ano ba yung mga produkto ang dinala po ng system control, sir?
Our company has been in the specialty of providing supply and services, even integrated works for different various electrical testing companies, products, and even process control products.
Pwede mo ipakita, sir, yung ating mga sample, sir?
We could probably start with this one. Yeah. Ito po yung isa sa mga product lines namin. It's about power quality analyzers. Marami na pong gumagamit ito sa mga power distribution companies. Very famous and almost the #1 in the market, power quality. And these are the other products. These are more on laser distance measurement. Ginagamit din sa mga distribution companies and even personal application like in golf course and everything. So we have other products. Mostly, kung maipo-focus niyo yan, these products are mostly used in different powered, even transmission and distribution, electrical. So, iyan po.
Yes, sir. Napakaganda. Congratulations sa mga produkto mo. Sir, ito ba competitive naman ang presyo, sir?
Very competitive, and that is why we're selling it. We have sold 1,000 products in the market for more than 3 decades now.
Kasi mahusay na, magaling pa.
Yes, we provide after-sale support. Yeah.
At meron tayong after-sale service.
Yes, importante yun. Importante yun.
Okay, sir. Meron ba kayong website o telepono na pwedeng tawagan, sir?
Yeah, you can visit us at www.seai.com.ph.
Right. At basta itong inyong kumpanya, System Control, garantisado na magaling pa.
Yes.
Okay, imbitahan mo sila.
Hindi po kayo mapapahiya.
Yes, 4 na araw tayo dito at imbitahan niyo po sila.
Yeah, magandang araw po sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood. We invite you to come to our visit at here at IIE SMX Convention until Saturday. So we could probably discuss your requirements and offer you our services para makilala nyo po ang Systems Control Instrumentation Incorporated. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir.
Thank you very much.
Nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang gumawa po ng boot nyo, ang Swedish Design.
Yes.
At narito po siya, si Miss Kathleen. Halika dito, Miss Kathleen.
Maganda po yung design nila, ng boot nila.
Pati yung pati-shirts, maganda rin.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir, what can you say about your boot, sir?
Well, ang boot namin very competitive sa pricing at saka maganda rin. Maganda yung after-sale support nila. Kung yung problema mo, inaasikaso nila.
Wow, so talagang next year, tayo uli.
Of course.
With Kathleen, no?
Of course.
Okay. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon at nagpapasalamat kami sa aming mga sponsor, ang SMX Manila, Sir Michael, at syempre po ang aming Executive Producer, Mr. Wick Angeles. Sa ngalan po ng aming programa, Exhibit Today, I always say, God bless you.
Thank you. God bless.